Why octopuses might actually be aliens. The science behind the claim. Presented by YMP Wonders. Welcome back to YMP Wonders, the place where strange facts, wild science, and unbelievable mysteries come to life. Today's question is one that scientists, philosophers, and internet conspiracy lovers strangely agree on. Why do octopuses seem not from here? Their intelligence, their biology, their genetics, everything about them feels otherworldly. But is there actual science behind the claim that octopuses might be the closest thing we have to aliens on Earth? Let's find out. Octopuses break all the rules. Octopuses are unlike any other animal on the planet. They have 3 hearts, blue blood, camouflage better than any chameleon, and nervous systems so complex that 2/3 of their neurons aren't even in their brain. They're in their arms. Each arm can think, solve problems, and move independently. Some scientists describe them as 8 brains wearing a trench coat. Octopuses can open jars, escape aquariums, solve puzzles, recognize individual humans, and even use tools. No other invertebrate, meaning animals without a backbone, comes close. Biologically, octopuses feel like someone combined a brain, a soft robot, and liquid camouflage into one animal. Section 2. The Genetic Mystery. Here's where things get strange. In 2015, a major scientific paper revealed that the octopus genome is shockingly complex as some mammals. Octopuses have 33,000 protein-coding genes, more than humans, and their RNA, the molecules that help control gene expression, doesn't behave like anything else on Earth. Most animals edit RNA in very limited ways. Octopuses do it everywhere. They rewrite their genetic instructions on the fly, customizing their own biology based on temperature, environment, and even mood. It's like real-time software updates inside a living animal. This level of genetic flexibility is unknown anywhere else in the animal kingdom. Some evolutionary biologists called their genome alien-like, not because it comes from aliens, but because it's so radically different from everything we know. The controversial theory. Panspermia. Now we take a step into the controversial. A small group of scientists have proposed a hypothesis called Panspermia, the idea that life on Earth might have been seeded by microbes or biological material from space. In 2018, a paper suggested that octopus ancestors may have arrived through frozen extraterrestrial material, like viruses or genetic fragments carried by comets. To be clear, this theory is not mainstream science. Most biologists do not accept it, but the idea gained attention because octopus evolution appears sudden. They appear in the fossil record with advanced traits seemingly overnight. Add to that their bizarre intelligence and genetic uniqueness, and people started raising eyebrows. Even Nobel Prize-winning scientist Francis Crick, co-discoverer of DNA, once suggested that life on Earth might have extraterrestrial origins. He wasn't talking about octopuses specifically, but they fit the mystery perfectly. Are octopuses really aliens? So, are they? Scientifically speaking, probably not in the literal sense. They evolved here, on Earth. But in a deeper sense, octopuses show us what intelligent life could look like if it evolved on a completely different path than humans. Their intelligence doesn't come from social life, tools, or fire. It comes from pure adaptability, problem-solving, and sensory mastery. If aliens did evolve on another planet, many scientists agree they might look more like cephalopods than like humans. So while octopuses aren't aliens dropped from the sky, They may be the closest thing we have to an extraterrestrial mind on Earth. If octopuses fascinate you as much as they fascinate scientists, hit that subscribe button for more strange and unbelievable discoveries from YMP Wonders. Tell us in the comments, which animal do you think is the most alien-looking on Earth? See you in the next episode.